Just so like in the previous question, this question is asking us to find the equation of the tangent line at this given point. And we're given f of x and f prime of x, which is the equation of our derivative. And I'm just going to write that here. We know that this is the derivative. A reminder, the derivative gives us the slope of our tangent line. Slope of tangent line. And I have already written here the equations that we looked at and what we're going to use. First thing first, we want to replace a, right? And that's using the x value we care about. In this case, that's x equals 7. So y minus f of 7 equals f prime of 7 times x minus 7. And the two things we're looking for here are f of 7 and f prime of 7. So let's do that. F of 7, I'm going to use this first equation up here because that's f of x, will equal the square root of 5 times 7 plus 1. 5 times 7 is 35, so 35 plus 1. This equals the square root of 36. The square root of 36, 6. Now, f prime of 7, we're going to use this equation over here because that's the derivative, f prime. I see that part of my face is blocking it. Hold on. There we are. F prime of 7 is 5 over the square root of 5 times 7 plus 1, which equals 5 over, we already saw 5 square root of 5 plus 5 times 7 plus 1 will give us square root of 36. So this will be 5 over 6. And then now we're going to go into our original equation and we're going to replace those aspects. Again, 5 over 5 of, oh dear, I messed up notation here. This should not be 5 prime of 7. This should just be f of 7. Oh no. Okay, cool. So now, f of 7, and so we can replace those. So this will be minus 6. Y minus 6 equals, well, f prime of 7. F prime of 7. We found that to be 5 over 6, so equals 5 over 6 times x minus 7. And this right here is the equation of your tangent line. If you're still stuck on this, please let me know by hitting the Contact Me button at the end of the exit ticket. Best of luck.